Here you can see the yellow chicken here. The yellow chicken is a free-range chicken. First morning in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Our hostel serves like really basic breakfast, like toast with kaya, which is like coconut cream or coconut milk with eggs, peanut butter, margarine, oatmeal. It's instant oatmeal, and they have packets of coffee and tea and fruit, which is watermelon and pineapple, I believe.
Is that the also waffles?
Also, I'm sorry? So, I was gonna have frittata, but they're all out. Anyways, so the breakfast was like very basic, and but we kind of like want some protein, some meat, a little bit bigger breakfast. So we came next door, which is called LOKL.
Local.
Oh, local. It's right next door from a hostel. So local coffee company. You got really cute artsy stuff. So I ordered the baked eggs because they're out of frittata, and Frank ordered the
Scrambled egg and cheeseburger with caramelized onions and sriracha mayo.
He memorized it. And then we're having local coffee here, which is called Kopio. So we'll show you in a bit what they are. There's Frank's food. Can't really see. We're gonna bake egg with ratatouille and sourdough toast.
It's really hard to eat. Tastes good though.
We're at the Batu Caves in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this morning when we woke up, it was kind of raining, so we kind of had to delay a little bit. It is 10 o'clock in the morning now, so we finally got here. The rain stopped, and we're gonna go ahead and climb.
So this was 272 steps. This is a Hindu temple, so that's why we're shoulders and knees covered. And bats and monkeys. The statue over there, we'll get closer and look at it. It's the largest, or at least the tallest, Hindu deity in the world.
Right.
It's supposed to be a very holy and sacred Hindu spot.
Yeah.
So we'll check it out.
Yeah. So we just got volunteered to bring buckets of dirt to the top. So we just came up.
We made it.
It didn't seem like 270 steps. I think it feels like there might be more, but anyways, we just climbed up. We saw tons of monkeys trying to grab food from people, and
So you have to walk up all these stairs in the heat,
it's not that
carrying a bucket of dirt.
hard. We were helping.
We're helping.
Carry
And then
dirt.
carrying dirt up here, and then you have to kind of like weave around tourists taking pictures while monkeys are trying to steal things from you.
Yeah.
That's the stair
And
climb.
people taking selfies and pictures and everything. But it's pretty cool. We're up here now. We saw monkeys, and now there's some bats up there. As you can see, some bats. Bats. And it's like a chicken or rooster here. We're at Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This is called Pedaling Street. So there'll be lots of food places, lots of places to shop. Probably just like any other Chinatown, but of course, you know, you have to check out every Chinatown all over the world, right?
You do.
I do.
You do.
And
we cross what's over here.
We need to cross, so. Alright, so we're just here to just kind of grab maybe a few souvenirs if we can find some. We're not too hungry right now, and we have a couple things that are planned.
I mean, I could eat.
He can always eat, but we have a couple things planned for a couple hours, so we're probably not going to eat too much right now. So if we see something that we can snack on, we will probably do that.
That's got off for a tattoo.
Yeah. And
there's a car gonna kill us right now.
Yeah, we're about to get run over. That's always fun, right? Scarves, watches, lots of watches. We must be in a watch section right here. Purses.
These are like cars over here.
Yeah. Oh, look, babe. Your tiger beer.
Do you have a t-shirt or only tank top?
Yeah. Because Frank has to get a beer shirt from every place.
Yeah, they didn't have tiger beer shirts in Singapore, so.
They really like Bruce Lee here. I see Bruce Lee stuff a lot. How much is it?
Yeah, 29.
29 ringgit.
What's 29?
29. How many pieces? One piece, two?
A Chang beer too, babe.
I don't have a Chang, do I?
No. I think this is going to be Frank's new traveling hobby, is collecting beer t-shirts.
Local beer t-shirts.
Local beer t-shirts everywhere we go. Frank and I were walking through Chinatown on our way to Central Market, and we came across this bar. It's called the Reggae Bar, right in the middle of Chinatown in Kuala Lumpur. And we decided to stop in to use the toilet and have a drink. Frank?
There's not many bars in Malaysia, Chinatown.
Yeah, so we came across one and
took advantage
of it. So I ordered a glass of red wine, which is happy hour is 15 ringgits. And I ordered...
It's only 15?
15. Before 8 o'clock.
Oh, for $8, that's math. Less than $4.
Less than $4, yeah. So that's about like average happy hour, even back home.
This is 8 ringgit. $2 cocktail.
And what do you have there?
Whiskey and Coke.
Whiskey and Coke, yeah. I actually mixed mine with Coke Zero. I'm really happy that they have Coke Zero here, so that I can make my own Spanish sangria wine and Coke Zero.
Actually named for the half red wine, half Coke drink.
We'll put that somewhere here or here.
Maybe here.
Or here. Maybe
right
here.
Here. Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of places don't sell alcohol here.
No.
Because Malaysia, the vast majority are Muslim, and Muslims don't drink. So there's not much of a market for it. So,
yeah.
Like the bar, there are 2 other people in this whole giant bar.
Yeah.
It's nice. You got Bob Marley everywhere.
Because it's a reggae bar.
If you're by Chinatown, want to grab a drink, use the toilet, reggae bar.
Reggae bar. It's actually pretty spacious. I mean, it's spacious because there's
so
only
much-
4 of us here. But
So much room for activities.
I mean, you can do cartwheels, you know, somersaults, you break dance right here. A lot of TVs. They're showing soccer. Soccer is like a big thing. I feel like soccer is like a popular sport everywhere we go travel to, right? In Europe, it's like soccer everywhere. Even Southeast Asia, soccer everywhere. In America, it's like baseball and football. But yeah. So this place, reggae bar, is full bar. We see liquor, we see wine, we see sodas, beers, cocktails, everything. So come here if you're in Kuala Lumpur.
Beer or Coke, we tell you. Because the durian, when you eat a lot, it will give your body like heat. Okay. And then suddenly you drink something. That's all. The fritters, just a simple fritters. It's a flour fritters. What you see here, this is the cow and basically is the best soup for us for what we love to eat. And then you can see all the cartilage here. So that is the flavor. And then when you cut it, you can see all the flavor is there. And then here, there's a good part of the chicken here. You can see the yellow chicken here. The yellow chicken is the free range chicken. So we just these are the fries. It's not meat. This is one of the important ingredients in Malaysia. We use this a lot, and one of the Malay dish we call as rendang. This is one of the important ingredients. Without this, the rendang won't taste nice. So rendang is very complicated to cook.
Me on 6.
Meal on 6 is always good.
At the counter. Tissue dekat counter.
Leaving Kuala Lumpur to go home. So early.
We woke up at 3:30.
Got a taxi. And so we're leaving. We'll have a layover in Japan for a couple hours, and then we get to go home. It's the end of our trip. It was fun.